Hello you guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 11. So I'm behind, big surprise. But I have days 8 and 9 filmed. I just haven't edited and uploaded them yet. This week's just been a little bit busy with work and I've been tired, and after work I just want to rest my sprained ankle and not walk around and film. So yeah, I've been just chilling and watching TV these last couple of days. But it's Friday, so I'm going to spend some time editing days 8 and 9, get those uploaded for you guys, and then hopefully I can do some sewing. But yeah, I want to finish this backpack, so I think that's what I'll do later today. But I gotta leave for work now, so I will see you guys tonight. Hey guys, so I was finally able to go to the store and buy more flex foam. So I got this at Walmart just because I went late and Joann's wasn't open anymore. And I had a grocery shop, so I just got some of this flex foam. This is the sew-in kind because I find that I can never really fuse the foam, so I just buy the sew-in kind. It's fine. It's the same difference. This is FF77 by Pellon. And I just bought this pre-package that came with 20 inches by 60 inches. It's just easier because at Walmart they like take forever to get to the cutting counter, so it's just easier to buy the prepackaged stuff there. It might have been a little bit cheaper than by the yard, but I feel like you get less width, so I don't really know if I'm saving money. I think it was like $9 for this, and that's like what, maybe 2 yards, maybe a little over or under, I don't really know. But I got that. Now that I have all my foam, I can really get this backpack going. I did realize that I still have to interface all these pieces in here, so I'm going to do that really quick and then hopefully we can get to sewing. Hey guys, so I am now officially done interfacing everything. Yay! So now it is time to actually get started sewing the backpack, so let's jump into that. So right now I'm just going to prepare my straps and my strap connector pieces. So these are the top half of the straps. The bottom straps will be made of the webbing. So since I'm using fabric, I'm gonna go, I have like, let me trim off that. I had some excess interfacing here, so I'm just gonna trim this off. Okay, now I'm going to just go ahead and fold in one of the bottom edges, just like, I don't know, half an inch or so. And then we're just going to fold it. I like to fold it in half just to mark it first. So I'm going to just fold this in half and press that. And we're kind of just doing like a bias tape kind of fold. So now that I have that center fold, I'm just going to fold both edges to meet the center. So I'll start with this side first, and I'm going to go ahead and press it. And then I'll just go ahead and do the other side. Just fold it to meet the center. Alright, so then once those edges are kind of folded into the center like that, I'm going to go ahead and just fold it in half one more time. So you'll have like your actual strap now. So like it's folded in half basically 4 times, like the 2 edges to the middle, and then we're folded in half again. And I'm going to go ahead and just pin this. I don't really press it again because I already got my creases. But I'm going to go ahead and pin this so that it is ready for sewing. And again, I'm just kind of following Lauren Mormino's tutorial for making the mini backpack. It's a little bit different since I'm using all fabric and no vinyl. But if you guys are interested in a more in-depth tutorial, be sure to check out her video because she does a really good job of explaining everything. Because again, she does a little bit of a different method than the pattern. So a lot of stuff is kind of different, or you know, you can, if you want to, you just follow the pattern. It's a great pattern. I just like the style that her modifications add to the bag, so if you want more details on that, you can go ahead and watch her video, just because this is a little bit more vlog style, not really tutorial style. I mean, I'm showing you guys a little bit of what I'm doing, but it's not going to be quite as detailed as her video. I'll have that linked again if you guys want to check that out, if you want more of a in-depth tutorial and to see all her, like, everything she cut up and stuff. Alright you guys, so now for the straps, I'm going to go ahead and start at the raw edge, and we're going to go down one side, across the bottom edge, and then up the other side, but we're not going to sew this raw edge just because that's going to be hidden, so it's not necessary. So I'm just going to go ahead and sew a U-shape along both of these. I just love the way fresh straps look. They're just so nice. This angle might be a bit better, but now I'm going to add my rectangle rings to the ends of the straps that were folded in, not the raw edge. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold that in maybe just about like this much. You just want enough to sew, and you're going to want to try to make sure that they're even on each side. Sorry. So again, and just fold that, and I just want to make sure that they're even on each strap. So now I got my back panel bottom piece that we cut, and I've got one of my pocket pieces for the slip pocket, so I'm going to go ahead and we're going to line these up, and we're just going to sew along this top edge here. The right sides together, and we're just going to sew along the top edge. So now I just have my other slip pocket lining piece, and then I have this little top part of the back panel, and I'm just going to line these up, kind of center them, and we're just going to go ahead and sew these together. So I just went ahead and pressed this, and I'm going to go and just sew a little bit along this pocket lining piece, just along the top edge of that. Hey guys, so I got most of the back panel. I think the back panel is actually pretty much assembled. Looking like this. It's turning out super cute. We have the strap connectors attached, the straps attached, the back pocket is ready to go, everything is attached in there. So yeah, the back piece attached to the foam and everything. I think now I'm going to go ahead and work on the front piece, but the back piece is pretty much set to go. So I just have my zipper prepped now, and oh my god, look how cute that zipper pull is. I have my zipper tabs added, and now I'm just gonna, these are really long zipper tabs, so I'm just going to line this up. I cut center snips in both of these so that I can kind of just line them up. And I'm gonna trim down the excess of these zipper tabs because there's quite a bit of overhang. Those a little bit, and now they're all good to go. Alright you guys, we have the front panel coming together pretty nicely. This is what it's looking like so far. I added the zipper in, and I don't know, I just love the zipper pull. Is so nice. It just gives it a nice little pop of color since everything's so black and white, but it's like Harry Potter, so it's cute. So yeah, we got the front panel. I just got to finish off this pocket stuff that's going on, but yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. Hey guys, so today we got the front and back panels done. This backpack's looking great, but I think I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Yeah, we've got a lot of sewing done today. So I think in tomorrow's vlog we will go ahead and finish up this backpack. I just literally got to do the side panels and assemble it all together, and then literally we'll be done. So yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we finish up this backpack. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.